Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 2. Today's topic is what many of you have been asking. Can you customize shoes and litter with decal paper? There are so many different ways to use our decal papers, and that also depends on who is using it. The most common ones are the Type B and Glue W2 combination for customizing shoes. I will show you the super easy way to customize shoes even with difficult designs on the decal paper. Then let's start! First, you want to think of how your shoes will turn out. Start by measuring the size of the shoes. Edit the image to get the right size and then print on the decal. Print a mirror image for the Type B film-free decal paper. Cut out the image to get the size you want. Dip the decal in the water, wait for about 20 seconds and take it out. You want to wait until the film starts coming off loose from the backing. Apply the Glue W2 on the shoes. Mount the decal, then scrape out water and air bubbles with squeezy. Dry the decal with a hair dryer. Let it dry naturally under the sun. Take off the final film. You don't need to take it off if the film's not noticeable. Dry again with a hair dryer to make it more durable. Coat 2 to 3 times using a shoe varnish with a brush. Decal paper is not permanent, but you can make it last longer using a shoe varnish. And that's it, you are done! Customize your shoes with SUNNYSCOPA film-free water slide decal paper. Thank you very much! Don't forget to press subscribe for more information on our products. Thank you! For more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. Feel free to send us an email if you have any questions.